Okay, let's see what this one is. Probably another line. No weight and big. Nope. Kind of a sticker decal transfer junk. 1970. Most of these things only fit 1 year. Okay, how are we going to open this up without destroying it? Be careful of stuff, they're delicate. Two of them, yep. Probably a gas tank decal would be my guess. It's made in 7 of 83. It's for a 1970 something. So most of the stuff's like for sportsters or lightweight bikes. Big Twins had badges on their tanks, most of them. So let's see what we got in here. It's a decal. Scotch Hill 3M film. Sportster. There you go, original badge for a Sportster, 1970. Looks pretty nice. Some people say these aren't reusable. Don't be surprised if these things still work. But it doesn't matter. If it doesn't work, you can at least digitize this thing and make them brand new. So you just take them down and have them made. So you got all the colors and everything. Because these obviously are not faded. They're inside the original stuff. You have to take the sticker off the backing off to see what it really looks like for color-wise, but which would destroy it for being used, but it still is a sample. So pretty nice. I guess there's two of them. 62. Yep, same part number on both, so it's one of each. There you go. 1970 Sportster gas tank badge. Yeah. I like crap like this. Alright, there you go. Don't lose those.